Hey again, it's me. This will be my quickest video. So this is our TimeWise Repair. It has a W on it because this is my demo one, but this is our TimeWise Repair Revealing Radiance Facial Peel. So this is our glycolic acid product. And basically what you do with this is on a clean face, you just pump out a little of the product. You put it all over your face, but completely avoiding your eye area. You leave it on for just 10 minutes. That's all it needs is 10 minutes. And then you rinse it off. Super simple. Now, don't let the word peel or glycolic acid scare you. Your skin does not peel afterwards. Glycolic acid is just a liquid exfoliant and it works very, very well. So I'm just going to show you really quickly some before and afters. So look at her neck area, her neck and décolleté. So if you're going to use it on your neck, you definitely want to test it because our neck can be a little more sensitive than our face. Test it out and see before using it. This is really cool. So I've seen this work really well on brightening tattoos, and we did check to make sure that it's not going to harm the tattoos, but it does help brighten them just by getting some of that dead dull skin off. This is a before and after on the hand. It also works really well to get that dead skin off of feet, which is really cool. And then look at the difference here. So the forehead wrinkles before and after. So the facial peel, this lady right here, by the way, used it for, I want to say 4 applications. So you don't use this every day. This is just a supplement. And our facial peel is $68. So thank you for tuning in for this last. It's actually the last video that I'm making, but it's not the last one that you're going to see. Product highlight.